there, welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. I'm so glad you're here. You know, I get asked all the time, what do vegans eat for breakfast? Well, you know, usually it's oatmeal or something like that, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with oatmeal. We all need grains and good stuff like that, but you know, every now and then we want something different. So today I'm going to show you how to do a breakfast skillet. This is some vegetables and some proteins kind of mixed all together and baked, and it's absolutely delicious and you're gonna love it. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna start with putting a bunch of vegetables into a bowl, and we're gonna get this coated with some spices. So we're starting with a half a cup of vegetable broth, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of parsley, a half teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of thyme. And we've got the equivalent of 4 russet potatoes. These are just your plain white potatoes that you get in the grocery store. Just gonna mix this up so it gets coated with the spices and with the vegetable broth. The vegetable broth is gonna help the spices stick to the potatoes. And once it's all mixed in, it kind of looks like this. So I'm going to pour this on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Actually, I'm going to pour it on 2 because there's a lot of potatoes here. Kind of want them on a single layer. We're going to take an 8-ounce carton of mushrooms, you know, just the plain old ordinary mushrooms you get at your grocery store. I'm going to put that in here. The rest of the juice, it's all seasoned up. And I've got 2 small zucchinis. These are quartered, but dice them up however you want. So mix that up so this all gets coated. And then we're gonna put this on the same baking sheet with the potatoes. So then you're gonna have 2 baking sheets that look like this. We're going to put this into a 400-degree oven for about a half hour, 35 minutes, just depending on the size of your potatoes. And then I'll show you what we do next. All right, the veggies have come out of the oven, and we're just going to finish this up. We're going to do tempeh. Tempeh is a soy-based protein. It's gluten-free. It's got lots of protein in it, and it's less processed than tofu. So if you're familiar with tofu, this has just a little bit less processing in it, and it actually tastes really meaty. So we're going to use that, and we're going to start with a cup of vegetable broth. My pan's already been heated. Okay, so we're going to pour this package of tempeh in here. We also have a tablespoon of liquid aminos, which is almost like a soy sauce, a teaspoon of paprika, and a half teaspoon of pepper. And we're just going to put that in there. And we're going to let this get warm, and then it's going to get about 5 minutes, because this tempeh will get nice and coated. Okay, I'm going to give that about 5 minutes, and we'll come back and finish this up. Our veggies have come out of the oven, and then I'm going to add the vegetables to the frying pan, and we'll get all this mixed up. All right, this is about ready. So now I'm simply going to take these vegetables that I've cooked in the oven, and I'm going to pour them right into my saucepan. Get the other sheet. This serves 4 people. Actually, if you ask me, it serves 6 because it's pretty filling. So you just want to make sure that everything's well blended. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ. Breakfast is served.